Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have come up with part D on the topic of mixture. Actually the topic mixture is a vast topic. So uh, actually I made a 1 hour video or some more length videos, but I couldn't cover it. So actually it's a very vast topic, and as a teacher or as a what to say mentor advisor, I can't let you means leave it incomplete, because some part of the uh, some special type of sums are still left. So I have come up with part D. So the topic is mixture, and if you are watching part D first, I advise you to watch part ABC, then part B. If possible, I will provide the link of the videos in the I button. Let's see. So some numbering will be same. So in the last video we have completed, if I am not wrong, sum number 6, and in this video we will be moving on with sum number 7. So this is sum 7. Sum 7. 4 gallons. Actually, in the way, in the manner in which I teach commercial mathematics and statistics, as now the name is business mathematics and statistics, in the same way, or you can say in more effective way, I can teach accountancy also. Now if you are interested, any of the viewer is interested, please let me know. Actually in the last video, in some of the viewers requested me to cover all the topics of CMST, but no one is interested in having some knowledge of accountancy. प्लीज़ मतलब एक बार देख लो, कम से कम एक दो वीडियो हमको, मतलब एक दो वीडियो देख लो, अगर अच्छा लगे तो बोलना कंटिन्यू करेगा, वरना छोड़ देगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना। इतना ख़राब भी नहीं पढ़ाता अकाउंटेंसी CMS से ज़्यादा अच्छा ही होगा। अकाउंटेंसी एक बार करके देख लो। If you are still interested, comment me. Actually, I am very much interested in making videos of accountancy, some theories as well as practicals. Actually, I basically love accountancy. CMST, I do. I can do, so I do the videos for you. Actually, I started with CMST only, so CMST is the main. So I can't aside CMST and bring accountancy, but I want to bring accountancy as well as CMST. Actually this is a commercial channel. This is, you will not find here. Actually I uploaded videos of biology notes, and these are of class 10. So actually this is a basically commercial channel. You will find here commercial mathematics only, and some basic mathematics. So actually I wanted to start accountancy also. I had some very much knowledge of accountancy. I love accountancy, so I wanted to deliver the knowledge to you also, the viewers also. Okay, without causing further delay, 4 gallons are drawn. Actually, you see, this is a very important sum for from my point of view. Actually, here we will be using some sort of equations also to solve the sum. So actually, I preferred to cover this sum. All else, there are another number of persons who skip these sums because these are a little bit tough. Actually, tough sums only comes in the exam. Easy sums doesn't come. So I prefer to do every sum. Every sum is important. Are drawn from a cask full of petrol. It is then filled with. First of all, when I write the question, I dictate. If you can't see, I know I have some sort of problem with the camera and no cameraman is there. I have just how fixed the phone in somewhat higher position. So listen properly, and if you want, when you copy, you write it after listening. Okay, and read it properly. Read the question properly. If you read, you will find some sort of clue that what to do, how to do. You will understand. The steps will be visible. Is then filled with kerosene. Full stop. 4 gallons of mixture is again drawn, and the cask is again filled with kerosene if the ratio of petrol and kerosene let in the cask is now 36:13. Find how much does the cask hold. So this is the question. I am reading the entire question so that you can understand. If you have somewhat missed or if it is not visible also, then also you can understand. So 4 gallons are drawn from a cask full of petrol. It is then filled with kerosene. 4 gallons of mixture is again drawn and the cask is again filled with kerosene. If the ratio of petrol and kerosene let in the cask is now 36:13, find how much does the cask hold. We have to find the capacity of the cask. This is the sum. So we will use your mathematics. We will assume to get the answer. In accountancy second year also we the sums of partnerships, ratios of partnership, we have to assume the profit in order to find the answer. That is a separate thing. I know this is commercial mathematics, accountancy, separate topic, but somewhat interrelated. The sums which I am doing in first year, you will get some sort of this, means the knowledge you will be very much useful to you all in second year. And to the students of economics, students who are having economics, you study the economics, means I personally didn't study economics at all. I don't like it, but I have studied the mean median mode part, because if your concept of the mean median mode is clear, the same mean median mode is repeated in high secondary second year. So even I am thinking of making a video on arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median and mode. Please show your response, opinion in the comment section, that if you want accountancy or somewhat topic like this mean median mode to be introduced in the YouTube channel. Actually, because next year only I will make mean median mode, or I can make now also, because in I am making now high secondary first year videos. Second year videos are also available. Simple interest videos are available. Compound interest can be done, but actually I am waiting for the response, because first year students are watching the channel. So if I somehow now upload second year's content, so many of the people may not like it. So in next year I have to upload, but I want to upload in this year only, because I have the knowledge also this year. Next year I may lose some sort of knowledge because of lack of practice. So actually I wanted to upload mean median mode and compound interest. So compound interest is actually some other sort of students also need. So किसी और क्लास का स्टूडेंट को भी चाहिए, तो अपलोड करने का प्लान कर रहा है. आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. ये 4 है: अकाउंटेंसी, वो मीन मीडियन मोड और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. ये सब चाहिए तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए, हम वीडियो बनाएगा उसका ऊपर. सम्स भी रेडी है, अच्छा क्वालिटी सम्स है, एकदम मतलब क्या बोलेगा, अच्छा लगेगा करके. ओके, नाउ solution. Let the capacity of the cask be x gallon. Actually you see, you can take x also, but here each and every quantity is given in terms of gallon. So I have to take the capacity of the cask also in terms of gallon only. These are the things which you need to understand after reading the question. Okay. So Now the statements actually in the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, and while I am explaining also you the sums, statement is very much important, because some sort of viewers may understand and some may not understand, but I am doing in such a manner so that all can understand. It is not for only one or two viewers. It is for all the viewers who are watching this video can understand the sums, can have good results. So statement: when 4 gallons of petrol is drawn and the cask is filled with kerosene, then quantity of petrol will be what? Actually it was X, and 4 gallon was filled. So X minus 4 gallon, the sound that you are getting now, some unusual sound, this is the sound of the clock. I am sorry, I can't do anything. Now we will find out quantity of kerosene. Quantity of kerosene is again given in the mixture, means in the question. It's 4 gallons. Quantity of kerosene, 4 gallons. Actually, if you understand the things, no, everything will be easy. If this sum may not come in the exam, similar type of sum may come, but you will be easily able to solve it. Now, these are the things which you need to write according to question. Now we know. Again, these are presentation. These are the manner of presentation. If your presentation is good, you will be getting good marks. Improve means presentation should be very much good, and handwriting. My handwriting is very bad, I know, but I am trying also to improve. Again, 4 gallons of the mixture is drawn out. In this 4 gallons, quantity of petrol, will be what? X minus 4 divided by X, because X minus 4 was petrol and the total was X, so divided by X into 4. So because 4 liters of means it was given in the question, so 4x divided by 16 divided by x gallon. We will be slowly moving. We are not in a hurry. We will, if required, we will do 2 sums only in this video, but we will do in such a manner that you all can understand the 2 sums. Okay, this is my motive. Not to coverage can be small, but understanding should be wide. So, quantity of kerosene equals to 4, the total was x, into 4, 16 divided by x gallon. Therefore, quantity of petrol in the remaining mixture equals to, here I can do equals to, but actually it might not be covered in the camera, so I am not doing there. I am doing in some other way. I am doing it in the next line. So it will be x minus 4 minus 4x minus 16 divided by x. So it will be x square minus 8x plus 16 divided by 6 gallon. Okay. Now I myself have to see the steps so that I can also remember. No. Quantity of petrol, kerosene, and everything we have got. So now we will be moving on with quantity of petrol. This is, you see, this is the pattern. First of all, I have done petrol, then kerosene, then again petrol, then again kerosene. Now petrol, now kerosene. This is the format. This is the technique. Quantity of kerosene equals to 4 minus 16 divided by x plus 4. I will write something in the bracket for your help. As the cask is again filled with 4 gallons of kerosene. You see, this is the reasoning. You no need to write this reasoning in exam, but for your understanding I have given this reasoning, nothing more than that. So it will be nothing but 8x minus 16 divided by x gallon. Now we have got each and everything. Now the final part is left. This is the most important and precious moment. I don't know whether the English I have used is right or wrong. This is the most important thing. Now you have to assemble. ये सब पार्ट्स है, ये सब जो निकाला ना, ये सब पार्ट्स है. अभी ये पार्ट्स को मिला के गाड़ी बनाना है. गाड़ी बोलो, बाइक बोलो, जो बोलना है बनाना पड़ेगा. These are the raw material. Now we have to use this raw material in order to get the product. This is my way of conveying. You know my way. My way is somewhat different only. Most of them don't understand only my way. According to question, petrol. You see, this is given in the question. I am not writing anything from myself. Petrol is to kerosene equals to 36 is to 13. How much was petrol? This was petrol, this was kerosene. So x square minus 8x plus 16 divided by x is to 8x minus 16 divided by x equals to 36 divided by 13. Is to means nothing but divided by. Oh sorry, here it's not minus, it's is to. Now it's clear. Now I have to turn on the page in order to solve this. So you will get it as, it's visible. Yeah, it's visible. X square minus 8x plus 16 divided by 8x minus 16 equals to 36 divided by 13. 13x square minus 104x plus 208, sorry, I have said just now 2000, it's 208 equals to 288x minus 756. So if we come together, it will be 13x square minus 392x plus 784 equals to 0. I know, I hope you have understand the technique. Actually now you have to multiply this and this, and you have to find out the factors, and you have to arrange it such a manner that if we plus or minus to that item, you will get 392, and the product should be the product of this and this. So 13x square minus 364x minus 28x plus 784 equals to 0. Actually the students who have the knowledge of abacus, it is very much useful for them, very much useful. Now if we means take common and do the remaining part, it will be getting as 13x minus 28 into x minus 28 equals to 0. Actually I know, means this is the basic step, everyone knows this. This is a learning, these things are learning from junior classes only. So I am not doing this step, I have just skipped it. So either x equals to 28 divided by 13 or x equals to 28. Now, but there is something, but x equals to 28 divided by 13 is not valid, or is not possible, you can say, right, somewhat like this also, as this is less than 4 gallons. I hope you have understand, 4 gallons was minimum mixture was added, and if it is less than more means 4 gallon, how can we add 4 gallons of mixture or 4 gallons of kerosene in the cask? So this is not possible. Therefore the cask holds 28 gallons. Okay, the sum is completed. I know the sum is a bit technical, don't call it tough, it is technical. This is technical in nature, you need to understand. Understanding should be clear so that you can easily do it. So this is one category of sum. So there is another category of sum. The another category of sum is you have to find the price per unit of the mixture. The formula is already given. If I am not wrong, I have given the formula. I remember it. I have given. I have given the formula. So I am not going to repeat the formula. Actually, while solving the sum, we will get only the formula, and I will give, if possible, I will give in the description or I button the link of the other two videos. You watch these two videos so that your concept will be clear. So this mixtures topic has two category of sum. One category we have already finished in this video. This is finished. Now we will be moving on to the second category of the sums. The second category is basically like that. Second category only comes in the exam. First category is not so important from the examination point of view, but the second category is very important from the examination point of view. I have even noticed that second category of the sums basically comes in the exams. This is a thing which I have noticed. So before moving on to that category of sum, I want to give you a formula. This formula you need to, while solving the sums, you need this formula. Actually, this is the formula. You need to means remember this. There means cost of the mixture equals to total cost by total quantity. This is something you need to remember. And another thing you need to remember, actually this is a second category, no? So you have to remember something, some means basic things in order to solve the sums. So this is the second thing. So means you have to find somewhere you have to find the mixing ratio. What is the mixing ratio? So while solving those types of sum, you need the basic formula. The basic formula is somewhat like this: cost price of first kind, second kind. Here you write the amount. Here you write second difference. You find out the difference. Say x2. First difference. Say x1. Now, therefore, first kind is to second kind equals to x2 is to x1. These are the sums which you will be getting in exam. These are very important. This is the formula of finding the ratio of the mixing ratio. mixing ratio you have to find out? No. So this is the formula. So without causing further delay, I will be moving on to another sum. This will be a quite simple sum. So first of all, this is known to the persons who view my channel, who sees the means watches my video, knows the means my technique, that I start with easy sums and end with tough sums. This is the technique. Your teachers also does the same thing. You go to private tuition, school, college and university, everywhere starts with simple sum, ends with complex sum. This is the technique. This is the appropriate way. These are the things which no one told me, but I learned myself. I have to observe various factors. After observing various factors, I came to this conclusion that from simple to tough, not tough to simple. So now actually I have to see how much minutes is it running, because actually the problem is somewhat like that, because I have to go to someone's house in order to upload the videos. I don't have this internet facilities, very high internet facilities. So if it is a very long video, so video may be long, so my friend may not allow me to upload, because he is also getting somewhat limited, and he is a very good person, because he is allowing me, he is paying for the internet connection and I am also using for it, although he is getting unlimited, so he allows me also. So he is a very good person. Now what we complete? Sum 8 we have completed, sum 9, sum 8, sum 7 we have completed. I know it's a somewhat I know I need some sort of more experience. I am not a teacher. I don't even give private tuitions also, because I can't take the liability of covering your course, and I have to see my education also. So I do not take responsibility, because if I don't want, suppose I see that if I am busy this month or someday, so I may not upload video. So in such a situation, no one can question me why you did not upload. No one can give me बड़ा बड़ा बातें कोई हमको नहीं बोल सकता, क्योंकि मेरा मर्जी है, जब अपलोड करना है तब अपलोड करेगा. इसलिए हम प्राइवेटली किसी का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेता. ये फ्री है. यहाँ में यूट्यूब में देखो फ्री है, जितना मर्जी देखो, 1000 बार देखो, जितना क्या बोलेगा, एकदम समझ सकता है तुम यहाँ से देख के. बिना पैसा का एजुकेशन है यहाँ में. ओके मम्मा. Now, sum 8. Two kinds of petrol. There are two kinds of petrol. Friends, I don't have any idea. I don't have a vehicle only. I don't have 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler, 5-wheeler. Don't have anything. I have a cycle, and cycle does not require petrol. So I don't have any idea about petrol. Are there of 2 types of petrol or 3 types of petrol? I don't know. I even don't know the price also. It's a very simple thing. So here in the question it is given petrol deluxe and petrol supreme. Petrol is petrol only. काम होने से ही होगा. Costing rupees 48.50 and 45.60 per liter. Okay. Now mixing ratio is given and mixed in the ratio 6:5. The mixed variety is then sold by making a profit of 20%. What is the selling price per liter of the mixed variety? So This is the question. There are two types of petrol. So here the question of selling price and cost price arises. If you don't have knowledge of selling price, cost price, I have even make video on this topic also, selling price and cost price. I remembered. Watch this video. Watch that video properly. I have made 2 to 3 videos. Watch that things properly before doing these sums. Because if your earlier concept is not clear, you can't move on. You can't do anything. Your marks may be low. This is happens sometimes because you can't judge a person by his marks. There are a large number of factors in which he may not score good marks. He may be not well. He maybe have some of personal problem, his family problem. There are a large number of problems due to which a student might not score good marks. But that does not mean that the student is not knowledgeable. You can't say like that. वो गधा है, वो गधा नहीं है. You can't say like that because knowledge and marks is not always related. Sometimes you may have the knowledge but you may not have the marks. But I prefer don't run after marks, run after knowledge. It will be very much beneficial to you in the future also. वो जो अच्छा डिग्री मिलता है ना, अच्छा मार्क्स, उसको खाना नहीं देगा. जो नॉलेज है ना वो तुमको खाना देगा, वो तुमको नौकरी देगा, जितना ज़्यादा तुमको नॉलेज मिलेगा. और एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना, स्टूडेंट्स लोगों के लिए भी है, ये हम भी फॉलो करता है इसलिए बोल रहा है. यू शुड लिसन मोर एंड स्पीक लेस. दिस इज द टेक्निक, दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल इवन ऑफ माई लाइफ ऑल्सो. If you listen more, you will get more knowledge. This is the technique, and no need to argue with someone else. The different people have different sort of mindsets. You don't need to correct them. You correct yourself. Before correcting others, correct yourself. This is the basic treatment. These are some things which I always hear in my. मेरा घर में ये सब मतलब यही प्रिंसिपल्स है घर का सभी का. मेरा ही नहीं है, सिर्फ घर का सभी का एक ही प्रिंसिपल है. इसलिए ये मेरा को भी ये वाला हम भी यही फॉलो करता है. इसमें हमको रिजल्ट्स मिलता है, अच्छा रिजल्ट्स मिलता है. एंड पेशेंस इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट. आई स्टार्टेड दिस चैनल अ लॉन्ग टाइम एगो, इवन 1 year वेंट, बट आई डिडंट गेट रेस्पॉन्स, एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ रेस्पॉन्स. अभी तो एक्सप्लेनेशन जो मिल रहा है वो थोड़ा मतलब स्टैंडर्ड थोड़ा कम है, हमको भी मालूम है क्योंकि हम बहुत टाइम से इसको प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं किया है, इसलिए तुम लोग का लिए बनाना पड़ रहा है. और जब हम अपलोड कर रहा था ना शुरू में, तब ये मेरा प्रैक्टिस में ही था, तब हम फर्स्ट ईयर में था. अभी हम सेकेंड ईयर में आ गए, हम इसको प्रैक्टिस क्यों करेगा. तब भी जितना हो रहा है हम कर रहा है. पर यही चीज़ हम बोलना चाहते हैं, मतलब थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए. जैसे हम शुरू कब किया, बीच में फ्रेंड को दिया, फ्रेंड भी बहुत सारा रिलीजियस चीज़ें लाया, फिर हम देखा वो सब में होगा नहीं, हम हटाया, पढ़ाई का ऊपर ही फोकस किया. फिर थोड़ा रेस्पॉन्स अभी आ रहा है. हम ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा कि कंप्लीट रेस्पॉन्स नहीं है, रेस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है, थोड़ा मिल रहा है. कुछ व्यूवर्स रेस्पॉन्स कर रहा है, कुछ चीज़ें मांग रहा है, वही हमको अच्छा लगता है. पर टाइम थोड़ा चाहिए, ये हम सबको बोल रहा है. हम भी पहले सोचा था कि 1-2 दिन में लगता है थोड़ा अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा, पर 1-2 दिन नहीं, 1-2 साल लग जाता है वो रिस्पॉन्स आने में. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द solution. Cost price of, I will write CP. तुम भी आप लोग भी एग्जाम में CP लिख सकता है, ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. CP पर लीटर ऑफ Dulux variety equals to rupees 48.50. Now CP per liter of सुप्रीम वैरायटी 45.60. एग्जाम में ऐसा कॉमा मत देना, काट देगा. हम तो यहाँ में थोड़ा शॉर्टकट के लिए, मतलब हम भी यहाँ में नहीं देता, पर अगर लिखने गया तो थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लग जाएगा. और जो बात बोलता है वो सब इम्पोर्टेंट बात बोलता है. ऐसे ही मतलब अड्डा देने के लिए नहीं बैठा है यहाँ में. जो बात बोलता है पढ़ाई का साथ रिलेटेड है, लाइफ का साथ रिलेटेड है, बिहेवियर का साथ रिलेटेड है ना. मिक्सिंग रेशियो, ये सब गिवन चीज़ लिख रहा है. वट एवर इज गिवन आई एम राइटिंग दैट. मिक्सिंग रेशियो ऑफ Dulux is to Supreme equals to 6:5. Now therefore cost price per liter of the mixed variety equals to rupees 60 sorry I have to write it in the next line. गलती कर दिया अभी, नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखना पड़ेगा. रुपीज़ 4 into 48.50 plus 5 into 45.60 divided by 6 plus 5. 291 plus 288 divided by 11 क्या हो जाएगा? 519 divided by 11. This is the cost price per liter of the mixed variety. मिक्स कर दिया है मतलब दोनों वेराइटी को. तो ये है उसका ये. तो अभी क्या बोला? 20% प्रॉफिट चाहिए. प्रॉफिट इक्वल्स टू 20%. So selling price of per liter mixed variety. Therefore selling price of per liter mixed variety equals to 47.18 plus 20% of 47.18. इसको करेगा ना 47.18 निकलेगा. 47.18 ठीक है. ऐसा पॉइंट पे रख के भी कर सकता है चाहे तो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तुम यहाँ में इसको पॉइंट में रख के कर सकता है, पर पॉइंट तुम मतलब ऐसा मतलब फ्रैक्शन में रख सकता है, पर एग्जाम में फ्रैक्शन में आंसर देने से नहीं होगा. वो एग्जामिनर तुम्हारे लिए नहीं बैठेगा सॉल्व करने के लिए, वो तुमको सॉल्व करके आना पड़ेगा. तो इसलिए हम वहाँ में नहीं किया, यहाँ में करा दिया, यहाँ में दिखा दिया. ये वाला ये है इक्वल्स टू दिस है. सो इट विल बी 47.18 plus 9.44. Answer will be 56.62. ये 56.62 पर लीटर. ये वाला जो है ना, ये वाला होगा सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द मिक्स्ड वैरायटी. अभी हम और सम्स करना चाहता है पर टाइम नहीं है. इतना लंबा वीडियो आप लोग भी देखने को क्या पता पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि हम एक लंबा वीडियो दिया था, कोई देखता नहीं है. ये सब छोटा ही रखा है. पता नहीं अभी कितना, आधा घंटा हो ही गया होगा लगता है. हाँ आधा घंटा तो आराम से हो ही गया होगा. पर आज के लिए इतना ही. और भी सम्स है, बहुत सारा सम्स करना है, और 10-12 सम्स है ऑलमोस्ट. सो बाद में हम लोग देखते हैं. आप लोग मतलब कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा हमको कैसा लगा एक्सप्लेनेशन. जो जो पूछा है आप लोगों से प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिएगा. और वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब करना चैनल को. सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद जो नोटिफिकेशन बेल है ना, वो उस पर क्लिक कर देना, क्योंकि कोई भी अपडेट्स हम देगा ना, कोई भी किसी चीज़ का भी अपडेट्स आपको फटाफट मिल जाएगा, नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा आपको. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.